What a great performance by Tribo Kamindanawan. Performing at syempre, ating mga cute na mga animal ambassador. Once again, give it up for Tribo Kamindanawan. Performing lakas. There you go, so that's lakas. Our white bellied eagle with a sign of the name, Ariatis Locugaster. Locu meaning white and gaster meaning belly, therefore the white bellied sea eagle. The white bellied sea eagle are commonly found in near coastal areas of India, Australia, and also here in the Philippines. The white bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or serving great hornbill. That's nila Mr. Bill. Now come here the boy. There you go, syempre, di magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. Once again, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindanao and Nensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sila sa malapitan. Now guys, legit na legit yan, hindi sila lang ka-extension. And this morning, pagpapakitang bilang sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have some job for you to follow muna. Okay? So at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. So what's the word? Yan sa mga idols. Ayan. So, idols, what's the word? You need to shout fly, okay? So let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Alam, dito lang talaga yung may energy. Kasi yung tao dito may lagyan. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill tumigag in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating ritual. So nililigo yung lalaking halaw na gumagawa yan. Mas na maraming insect na na-catch yung lalaking halaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl lang halaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Pabilis lang so. And a count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Alright, what a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbill, or also known as the alarm clocks of great boys, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan naman natin ang blue and gold rock with Booyah Siren. Now, once again, that is the rock, or blue and gold rock with a scientific name of Araw na, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have that mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talento lang ni Barak at 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like other parents, guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. So what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called kadang-kadang mga boy. So again, march good boys. So that is zygodactyl feet in action. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Allow them to grab items ng marching boys. Right, left, and baba. Good boy, palakpakan naman. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya Syra. Pero parang, please po Kuya Syra, pero sa next time, wow! Nakikita yan, guys. During the movie, or this that movie, kasi mag-i-check ka rin. And you also have a body with during the movie, or not movie, pero siyempre, i-check po rin nila. Kung gumagana naman, dalawang kasama. And now, check ko sa Barak. At mukhang gumagana naman na Barak. Kuya Syra, are you ready? At the count of 3, lapang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! So, nung unang kinukuha ni Barak, a piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable ball. Another piece of trash ball. This time, leaf or dahon. Saan nga ba ilalagay dahon? To the biodegradable ball. Another piece of trash. Leaf na naman or dahon. Saan ilalagay? biodegradable with one last. Once again, guys, Apollo. And there you go. So that is Apollo, our umbrella crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, guys, did you know that Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hands! Kung gusto makita si Apollo sa videos, ayan, napakadaming fans na Apollo na. Bakit mo pinagdala? Eto, how about Kuya Dexter? Who wants to see Kuya Dexter dance? Raise your hand! Hala ka Kuya Dexter, mas madami ka pa pala si Apollo. May makatay pa Kuya Dexter. So kayo nila masasayawan. Now, Apollo, are you ready? Now, Ate Joy Joy, hit it! Chosen your move to it. There you go. So that is the moonwalk made by the famous Michael Jackson at Kasipoy. Pakita mo sa kasapal kung bulok eh. Tama na Apollo, baka malaglag ka sa table. Now, di natin panatawag na multi-talented star si Apollo kung iisa lang ang kanyang talent. Pang-probinsyano po yung actingan ko. Pang-kargarisa. Ano bago yun? Si Tanggol. Ayan. Now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? May agila. Ito gagawin na Apollo. Patay, good. So that is their natural reaction. They're doing it, you know what, to fool their predators because most of predators don't like rotten food. So nagpapatay pa tayo sila. So one more time, Apollo. Apollo.
Bea!
Agila na naman. Anong gagawin na Apollo? Hala ka, Apollo. Good boy. Napaka-dramatic talaga ng Apollo. Palampakan din si Apollo. At dahil ang isa ngayon si Apollo, siyempre, may pa-interview niya. No, kailan si Apollo, kailan ma-interview? Ayan, Apollo. Sumugot ka na maayos na. Napakadami ng bisita ngayon. Apollo, look at Kuya Dexter mo boy. Look at Kuya Dexter. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Dexter? Pogi ba? Pogi ba si Kuya Dexter? Wow! Pogi daw. Eto, how about me? How about me boy? Parang alam ko na yung sagot Kuya Dexter. How about me? I make it looking at me handsome. Pogi ba pa Apollo? Pogi ba? Sinuturuan ng Dexter eh. One more time. Apollo, look at me. Pogi ba? Apollo, pogi ba? Let's take it sa mga guest lang na. Pabawin ko. Sino tumatawa sa Kuya Dexter? Ito si Ma'am. Nag-awak ng baby. Now, look at Ma'am Apollo. Is she good looking? Is she pretty? Maganda ba si Ma'am? Ano mo ba? Wow! Wow! Magandang din. Nag-blush si Ma'am Apollo. So let's take it sa mga boys na parang hindi bias. Ay, ito si Sarah. Nakakap si Sarah ng fan. Look at Sarah Apollo. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sarah Apollo? Pogi ba? Pogi ba? Pogi. Sana. Oh, syempre. Pogi naman talaga. Talaga yung mga bisita natin. So ito, bakit ako lang yung iba Apollo? Ano nangyari dyan? No, Apollo, look at me ha, one last time. Please, boy, please. Look at me, am I handsome? Am I good looking? Po? Coming from our transportation. And this morning, Jumbo will show us how to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding 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 ding. Wow, now Jumbo, Saka, and Sika, good boy, from First Racer, from Iron Man, Sika, good boy, Papa Dolan, para lang Jumbo, and the kids out there who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Don't you worry guys, this morning, Jumbo will also show us how to ride a ding 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 scooter. Now, Jumbo, sakay ulit. And sigat! Dito po na dahil Jumbo, madalas yung table. Para lang, good boy. As you can see guys, even our animals love to help our mother nature. We can also do our part by doing the reduce, recycle, and repurpose or some alternative ways for our transportation. That's all for Jumbo guys. Palakpakan namin ka. Siyempre, ang kanyang napakapawang kuya. na si Kuya Boy. Now, here in that... Once again, that is Steady, our Palawan Berkat with a scientific name of Artis Binturong, or locally known as the Binturong guys. Now guys, did you know that their tail acts as a built-in healing? It is prehensile in nature. The meaning of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasing galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kalimagin. Sing sa mga wangking at ipapakita ni Daddy ngayong umaga po. Daddy, show them your prehensile tail. Are you ready to go down? Down, down, down. There you go. So that is your prehensile tail in action. They are doing the what to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan natin si Teddy, guys. Now, may I direct you to your right side na naman, and may we call on the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno. Now, fun fact about Palawan Berkas, their poop and their feet lost an infrastructure and endemic po sila sa Pilipinas, meaning dito lang sila sa Pilipinas makikita, particularly sa Palawan. Uy, ate, bakit naman po yan? Ate, yan, mamaya na tayo may dala. Pinagawa na natin yung bawang pizza, no? Saan si Mami? Mami? Ayan, sige, pwede na lang yan. Mamaya na tayo maglaro. Okay, later after the show. Ay, malaglag ka. And there you go. There you go. So that is their two highlight by action. So, omnivore sila. So, ito. Meron na naman akong tanong. Okay. So, first question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? And, piolo. Ganyan. Ang paglato ba ba? Guys, wait lang po.
Bea!
Guys, paulit-ulitin namin sabihin sa inyo na we are still working with wild animals now. And as much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At sabi ng ating mga kuya na, wala sa po. Si Daniel. You can touch it, you can hold it. Already try naman sila. So, sanay na sanay na po sila sa inyo guys. And guys, do not pinch the snake kasi pagkatapos na joke. And meron din pala kami special guest ngayon. It's a surprise. Hello! Ayan. And you can touch it, you can hold it naman.
Bea!
Already try naman sila. So, sanay na po sila sa inyo guys. And guys, konting paalala lang po, Pwede nyo hawakan yung mga snake natin, huwag lang yung mga trainers. Joke lang. Kung gusto nyo hawakan yung mga trainers, Ambassador with Kuya Junel. Kuya Jimar with the Kakadu at syempre, our DJ na si Ate Joy and special thanks to Kuya Boy na nasa taas at si Kuya Simon kanina. And once again, I am Benji and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay po rin out. Maghangin salamat sa inyong tanan.